Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this kind of like caddy, or I want to say gaming station as well, that this brand sent to me for the video that you can use for so many other things that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But this one, bottom line, it could be really good for having a look on the side of your desk, on the side of your couch, or let's say that you want to put your PlayStation console, for example. So I have it right there in horizontal position. But if I want, I can put it right here in vertical position and take this one with me on the go if I need to play, from example, from this gaming room over here. If I want to take it to the bedroom, I can do it with this rollable gaming station, as you can see over here. That rolls 360 with wheels. But let's talk about the assembly process for a minute. Everything is explained right here. I will say spare about like in between 45 minutes to 55 minutes or something like that, because it comes with every tool you need. But there's so many kind of like little pieces and screws that you need to put together. So it's spare about like 45 minutes to an hour, and that will be all of it. Let me show you something to you right now. These are actually all the usage that you can give it to, all the ones they have. They have multiple ones, of course, and these ones you can use it for the same things. These are made for sports, for gaming, for storage, multiple scenarios. But that one, again, I think that's one of the best ones for gaming stuff or PC stuff or tech stuff as well. So take a look at this section over here. You can actually rearrange everything, whatever you want. You can put it in this position. You can put just 1, 3, 4, all of them. And this is perfect for your headsets, for example, your cables, your charging cables. And then this one, which again you can put in any position you want, just like let's say you want it right here, is perfect for your controllers. For example, PlayStation controllers and Xbox controllers and PC controllers works perfectly right here. But if not, you can just like put it a little bit kind of like this right here if you want, and use this one right away. And this one is going to be perfect for either your small tablet or small laptop over here, or your iPad. So you can have everything in just one single place at within easy reach as well. And the same thing with this surface over here. So you will have it for the main one, for example, if you want to put your drink and take it over the couch or something like that. And in this one, you can put your Nintendo Switch, your PlayStation, or take everything out and use it as the case for your PC case, for example, that you can actually put under the desk. And this one right here, it comes with 4 straps that you can rearrange. Again, you can put 2 right here and 2 at the bottom, and you can put 2 keyboards right here, wireless keyboards. And I just use this one for cables. But again, I think this one is really good for a small and compact keyboard, so you can take them with you on the go with the wheels and of course the handles over here. Again, just another closer look, but I think this could be really good for those scenarios. So I'm gonna spend a few minutes putting my PlayStation console right here in vertical position. But remember, you can use it in multiple scenarios. Put everything you need from your PC gaming, console gaming, Nintendo Switch gaming, all the tech stuff, your headsets, your cables, your controllers, everything in one single place and within easy reach, and that you can move with you on the go to multiple places. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.